Archie McKay are the editor and top reporter for Pàipear. These are the community newspaper for North and South Uist and the Nether Island them or the nearby. Him do enough things like a find the new Tory them in the community and go out and chat to people and ask them questions. Today, him a chat to Norman McLean, one popular writer and artist who just come back at Uist.
Everybody starts to look like a potential sponsor.
Yeah.
Norman just put out him own a life story where him write, and Archie I got chat to him about it in a Pàipear newspaper.
It's a gather that you have to do.
There's also a craft involved.
Oh, there's a craft involved. I would say that's right.
The two man them been a chat in a English and Gaelic because they may have enough a chat about and the two of them love writing.
They are maybe moving clips. I've got one in March in Glasgow.
I mean, dollars in, could you?
Verketera, aye. So, big is big. Ha tarat machgelein anichtje. Miskne literatis.
Okay.
Literatis toch. Ach, shin verweet me.
When Archie done chat with Norman, him know say him a go have enough things to put out in the next Pàipear. The Pàipear office them there in a Balavanich were there in a Bembicula.
Yeah.
Plus Archie planned for the paper do some more things in the community, and him a work for make one new website for the paper.
Really, with an appraisal of what I see,
Yeah.
and a review, and then I'm going to hand over to you. You may have seen the email earlier today.
We'll do something, once this thing goes live, or if if I get a chance to do it beforehand, we'll do.
The training session them I go do over the phone from one company where they well far in a Brighton in a England.
No.
I'm joking. If we come to the events calendar,
Yeah.
good decision, key decision. Who made this decision, me or you? We know it was you.
The new site I go have enough things. One of them named Watson, where people I go chat to them one another.
This is a bit of a tour de force. Now, how it works, I can see what you've done. I love it.
On top of that, the site I go show some picture from one next project one named Gallery and Transa, the Corridor Gallery. When this done, this I go make the different local artists them show off them work every month. As soon the time a month when new copy of the Pàipear for come out, and Archie have enough work for do for it ready. The paper carry enough advertisement for the local business them, and a 28 page him have for do. The piece when write about Norman I go take up 2 pages. The wall back of Archie decks show how far every page reach for this month paper.
Current courage in this. Stalletje naar waar, kun je. Graf naar bed. Hallo, Sean, ik heb mijn haar.
But as one piece done, in after check one next one for make sure say what in there are true. One story about the tow bar and Dolchais project in a Lochboisdale, and the news was that people get more work than what them think being today because them change up the work. Archie no say him have to make sure say anything when put in the paper true. So I'm happy to check over the story on the phone would the manager show a McDonald before him print it. The paper have a print tomorrow, so Archie I got turn up all night and fix up all of the page them. As a matter of fact, he might not sleep tonight. Couple days later, the paper them come back from the printer. Archie can look how him work look when he done. Norman look happy pan fiim 2 page. The news about the work them in a Lochboisdale really good and help boost up confidence in our community where chrai accepts a new technology a come bout. The regular advertisement them and community feature make everybody member the service them with the boat and make them thankful so them live there. Archie can look back and see that him work do an important role in the Uist community life.